kaunti ya Nyamira ni waziri w'ekisemi Mheshimiwa Julius Migosi Ogamba negatia baraibande kuri ase kaunti ya Nyamira banyara ko babagwikirana ase umuyaga bugocengera igikoro ky'Omogusii umuyaga uyo nigo oikiranwa n'abaraye gatia abo mubungo North Mugirango Mheshimiwa Joash Nyamoko mwakilishi bwabangina ase kaunti Mheshimiwa Jerusha Momanyi waziri w'ekisemi ase kaunti ya Nyamira Mheshimiwa Jones Omwenga umunyakerogo Ojiotamo nimeyense Mheshimiwa Walter Nyambati negati yabando mwanchu muri ase kerenga kyarenge gyo kwane kyakwimukirira igoro egesaku ky'Omogusii na nimono kwechengera egekorekega chinga kecho nigo bono umuwaziri w'ekisemi anyara ko bagagoteba machibu yamatemo manena KCSE nigarache y'umwaka oyoiga hayi anyatuko bagagoikiranirwa omotienyi oeta nigo arache ko bwatukwa ekikibere chintangania somotienyi omutangani umwaka 2025 omurikito Fatgad Gisemba no roboti rwa senchere wekirano puna enjira eyemo yogochengira egekoro ky'Omogusii anene puna bare gwikirania kinyangi nigo omuyega oyo bwegekoro okorekana county ya Nyamira asegeti yeskuru ya secondary ya Kenyoro ime ye wade ya Itubo ebunge ya North Mugirango
esasi lereye kubeku kabisa omugaka bwebitena royo agosegeza kabisa bako murugo
omwana oli okiburu Neroyo ruama ya wataraiga. Kabisa murmate. Wala ransi kabisa. Engubo wa kuwete kabisa gabo. Yale koro ishuwa. Ruwa singera. Kabisa. Abra tongo. Amonensinyo.
Omowasiri oyo nigo aorokia omogokoye igoro y'omuyega oyo na kubariera eira bona nigo batakeire kwagacha ase ebinto byegekoro ky'Omogusii biragachwe bona enchira enyororo y'okwenyura igekoro
njirero inde no moko sana kiagera igasi mwakorire ya Kisii culture negasi ya muhimu sana ekiagera noye na masomo twanyorira igarero na masomo ito tutanyore arache gusira abantu baito mbacha kumanyanga ngaito arwete naende amangana ito ngakiarenge abagina bali mwanyoro kiebinto galie bie abaka banyoro kiga igachinkole nabagina balenga ali babwata maliogo yeke Gusii na kirembia mono sane kiara mwato sombire gase nyinge abantu baminto musino montolengo monto mungaini na nento tagetenga togendera ko babangaini ndo base gutigara magega
ensemo ya yomuske Jerusha Momanyi nigonere abwatukire ajaiga igoro y'omuyega oyoiga
kusherekea utamaduni wetu wa Kisii ni siku ya leo. Kwa hivyo ninataka kushukuru sana kwa yale maneno ambayo yametendeka katika uwanja huu na kuna mengi ambayo watu wetu wataenda kusoma wasies tutataka kuhakikisha sisi kama elected leaders we shall support you and we shall support our government.
Korwase ensemo yekisemi nigo omuwaziri Ogamba atebire muna amachibu yamatemwa yekirasi gya 12 y'omwaka oyoiga nigo arache korariwa inse yechiwiki ibere kirebosyo.
KCSE examination results will be released within the next 2 weeks. Traditionally, the KCSE exams were normally released in January, and we are keeping to that tradition and will be releasing them within the next 2 weeks. The exams that used to be released in December were for KCPE, and this year we did not have KCPE, and that might have caused some confusion. But this year we're going to release the KCSE exams in January, the first 2 weeks of the
Boigo omowasiri oyo otebire nonye ekigambiro kyatuguterete are omoroberio omoya bwogwakana school fees ya bana beji university nigo eserikali erigetie gochia kwamereria okonacha okwo
Was declared null and void by the court. We have already done an application for stay and we are appealing. We are doing an application of stay pending appeal. But while that is going on, we have constituted a team that is looking at what options that we have to ensure that there is no disruption of education of the university students, and we are sure that come January we'll get a solution even as we deal with the appeal, so that no student will remain at home. We'll be able to get means and ways of funding the universities under administrative means to ensure that they are not affected, even as we do the appeal of that particular case and we apply for stay.
Hingo reporter ya Getembe TV kurwase ebunge eyeiga ya North Mugirango ime ye county ya Nyamira inje Fatigad Isemba.